Hey, this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMBS. We'll take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one before, but I feel like it's been a long time since the last time I did it. I can't even remember when, but been having quite a few questions on it, and rightfully so. Chart's made a nice move and has been pulling back here, but had a nice day today after this consolidation day, pullback day, whatever you want to call it. Yesterday, the reason I call this, if anything, consolidation day, was while it was red, it's not like it crashed below a bunch of major supports or anything like that. So that's kind of a big difference between consolidation and just crashing down. So day trader, sure, this was an ugly day if you bought up there, but from the overall chart perspective, everything's still hanging in there, and we'll go through what I mean by that as we venture through the chart here. So let's first just start off with the candlestick that was formed today. This is what we call a hammer stick candle, or a hammer candlestick, excuse me, and that's a bullish candle in and of itself because you can see the price at one point was all the way down here, but by the closing bell, the bulls had managed to push the price back up there and close it right at that location. So now, does this mean that it's ready to skyrocket back up to 10 cents or anything? That's not what it means, but it does suggest that these profit takers that caused basically yesterday and then this pullback here are now out of the picture, and hopefully it'll be easier trending back upward. So but again, this candlestick right here, nice little sign. Now in terms of support levels, we have a couple key ones, and actually today's candlestick highlighted both of them, and they come in the form of these moving averages. This blue line here is a 10-day simple moving average. This gray line here is a 20-day, and you can see that the price bounced off of both of those very nicely. I'm not going to give you the exact values because they are dynamic, meaning they change with time. So I could give you a value right now, but that's going to change tomorrow and then Thursday and Friday and so forth and so on. So just know that the 10-day and 20-day are a couple of your dynamic moving or dynamic support levels. A static support level, meaning it does not change with time, is going to be down here, and I'm going to call that right there at 0.06. So change that to green as a support. And this comes from, just when we look back through the chart, you can see acted as support basically not 3 days in a row, but 3 out of 4 days right there. Acted as support again. Then when it did fall below it, price had trouble breaking up above it, but when it did break above it there, you can see what followed there. So 6 cents is going to be a pretty important and pretty key level of support. Didn't even get tested today, because after 6, then really you're not looking at any other supports until back down here around the 5s, and nobody wants to see the price drop back down in that area. Resistance wise, the one that really sticks out to me is this level right here, and that is at 8 cents. Again, if we look back through the history of the chart, you can see that lots of history right here of 8 cents knocking down the price. Did break above it a few days ago, but you can see it kind of acted like a magnet and sucked the price back below it. So 8 cents is going to be the one that you're going to want to see a few closes above. Obviously this 1 day close above it wasn't good enough, but if you can get 2 or 3 days where you're getting closes above 8 cents, and that's a good sign. And then after 8 cents, next level is going to be what basically looks like it knocked down the price past couple days, and that's right up there around 9 cents. This level stems from back here. You can see basically 3 days in a row it knocked down the price, so that'll be the other level of resistance that you'll want to see the bulls push through. So if there are any other questions though on the chart, please let me know. If not, I encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, as you'll see, you'll get a free ebook. If you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it in your strategy as a trader and make an investment into your education as a trader, I encourage you to click down below, check out our video course, over 8.5 hours of teaching and video. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to check it out and give it a try. One more time, this was AMBS. Thanks for listening.